Namaskara Anveshakas. Happy Navratri. The first day of Navratri, we worship Shailaputri. Now let's see the story behind this incarnation as Shailaputri. As we all know, the previously Sati, after denial from Shiva, comes to her father Daksha's yagna. Daksha insults Sati and Shiva. The Sati enters yagna. As soon as Shiva hears this, he gets angry and takes away the half burnt Sati body and performs Tandava, due to which all the three worlds are shaken. Thus, Vishnu uses his Sudarshana Chakra to dismantle Sati's body, and these pieces falls in 51 places forming Shakti Pitas. Shiva enters self-isolation and observes meditations. At the same time, the demon Tarakasura performs intense penance to Lord Brahma for a boon, and he asks him to grant that no one can kill except Shiva's son. The god, bound by the laws of boon giving, agrees. Empowered with the blessing, Tarakasura grows arrogantly and started terrorizing the three worlds. The gods, unable to bear his atrocities, sought the help of Lord Vishnu. They explained that only Shiva's son could destroy Tarakasura. But Shiva, lost in detachment after Sati's departure, had no desire for worldly ties. So they approached Mahashakti Yogamaya. She agreed to take a rebirth again to restore balance, and she incarnated as Shailaputri, the daughter of King Himavat. From her childhood, Shailaputri was deeply devoted to Lord Shiva. She undertook severe penance with devotion. Shailaputrima is associated with Muladhara root chakra. Shailaputri, being the Muladhara Shakti, teaches individual life lessons. She does by making an individual realize the power of Muladhara Shakti by awakening his or own self consciousness. Let's invoke the Shakti with the Mula mantra. Om Devi Shailaputriye Nama, and the stuti is Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Ma Shailaputri Rupena Sanstita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Thank you, Anveshakas. In the coming video, let's see the next incarnation or the form of nine Durgas, that is Brahmacharini. Thank you.